Welcome back. We continue our focus on the coronavirus. International track star Usain Bolt is among a group of celebrities being chastised for disregarding health protocols. Kalisha Williams has that story.
If there's one thing Jamaicans know how to do, it's party. Like clockwork, parties are held week after week. Then came COVID-19, forcing people to stay indoors, wear masks, and stand 6 feet apart, upending the party scene as we know it. Or did it? This was Usain Bolt's 34th birthday party in full swing on August 21. In a 2-minute 30-second video posted on Instagram on Sunday, the COVID-19 breaches were glaring. No physical distancing as the music blared. We spotted only 2 persons wearing masks, but Usain Bolt was not among them. Not even the DJ was protected. Among those present, popular entertainers like Ding Dong and the Ravers, Chris Martin, and footballers Leon Bailey and Raheem Sterling, all front and center, having their fair share of droplets. Of concern, too, is whether or not Raheem Sterling broke quarantine protocols to attend the party. Sterling, who plays for English team Manchester City, played in the semi-finals of the Champions League in Portugal on August 16, 5 days before the party. It's mandatory for all visitors to the island to be quarantined for 14 days. On Monday, Bolt revealed that he was awaiting his test results for the coronavirus.
I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work. Trying to be responsible, so I'm going to stay in and stay from my friends. And also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy.
Social media has been in a frenzy, with users both condemning and sympathizing with the sprint legend. Others expressed disappointment in Bolt's behavior, claiming he should have known better. Soon, other countries were eyeing Jamaica, and headlines like these started to surface. Usain Bolt, Jamaican sprinter, awaits coronavirus test results, and Sterling to take coronavirus test before joining England bubble. Usain Bolt's party is not the only event staged by well-known Jamaicans which showed a wanton disregard for the health protocols. This video was posted on Beenie Man's Instagram page over the weekend after his birthday bash. Clear breaches of the COVID-19 protocols. Music, check. Entertainment, check. Masks, missing. Physical distancing, not on this porch. His partner and PNP candidate for West Rural St. Andrew, Crystal Tomlinson, was also at the party, shuffling through the patrons. Yes, without a mask. At one point, even touching her face. Other dancehall artists such as Kemar Haikon and Conscience were also present. They engaged in close conversation. Others were busy covering the ground, but not their faces as they move around the dance floor. For social media users, Beenie Man was sharing the love, especially in this video with his former dancehall rival Bounty Killer, but no concerns about the spread of the virus. The government reopened the entertainment sector in July, allowing for events with a limit of 280 persons with all the health protocols observed. For instance, visible signs and markings on the ground to ensure physical distancing. The Health Ministry has since revised some of the health protocols as the cases continued to climb. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.